Hi, good evening guys. My name is Mark and my co-developer is also Mark and together we're called Mark Square. So our app is named Share Your Itinerary. Okay. There are times that we find ourselves in a situation that we need to plan for a vacation or trip. And part of the planning is distinguishing the places you are to visit and the order or sequence you are to visit them. So for example, you're planning to go to Hong Kong and Macau. So you want to lessen moving from Hong Kong to Macau, going back to Hong Kong, going back to Macau. So you need to know the sequence. To do this, we resort to spending hours and days just browsing the internet or asking friends. So our app, the target audience of our app is anyone who loves to travel. Share Your Itinerary app helps you add another layer of preparation for your trips by making itineraries of other people available wherever you plan to go. So for example, someone who is already using the app, then he can just share his itinerary, and then you can just search and make it available for your use. It's an Android app which helps you track the places that you have visited and then be able to share them. Okay, so we have two types of users for our itinerary app. The contributor and the non-contributor. Well, obviously, contributors, they describe the places they have visited and share their experiences in that place. And next is... And next is the non-contributors, wherein they're the ones who searches for itineraries of his interest and view them on the map to help them plan their own itinerary. And then when it's their time to travel, then it's their turn to contribute. So other users will be able to benefit from the itineraries on the web. So now let's move on to the demo part. Okay, first, when you launch the app, you are presented with three options: to create an itinerary, to show your itineraries, and to search for an itinerary. So we'll demo first the creating of your own itinerary. When you tap on it, you'll be asked to enter your title for the itinerary. So let's say sample. Then start. This app actually makes use of the internet and your GPS to detect your current location. So it's like when you move to a place, you can tap on. It's like you're dropping pins to your current location and describe the place you are in. So for example. Okay, so let's demo that. The red button there tells the application that you're going to drop a pin to your current location, and then you're going to add the place. So let's write test. And you can add notes. Maybe you can describe what are the things that you can do there. Maybe you can buy pasalubong there. You can ride anything, horse, elephant, I don't know. So note. Okay. When you're done, then you just have to tap on OK. And tapping OK shows you, yeah. So you have just dropped a pin on the map. So tapping on the pin shows you the title of the place that and the notes that you have put. Let's say you move to a different place. Then you tap it again, then a new point will be created. However, since we're making use of GPS and the internet, I can't demo, so I need to transfer to Greenbelt and then create a new pin just to be able to show it to you. But then yesterday, what I did is while I was going home, I dropped pins along the way to be able to demo our application today. So tapping on my itineraries shows me all the itineraries that I have created, and I have here my way home. I created this yesterday, and tapping it will show all the pins that I have dropped. So I have here on the lower left are arrows to move me from two different points. So let's see that. So I have there De La Rosa corner, Rada. Taxi. Then going, there's the tailor shop. I'm tapping it. I have there Shell gasoline station. Let's move to the next. MRT Magallanes station. So I'm going along Pasong Tamo extension and Chevrolet and the guardhouse. So basically that's it. It's showing you the pins that I have dropped. Now here's the interesting part. What if my trip is already finished? So now it's time to share. So for example, someone else wants to has the similar trip as mine, is planning to have a similar trip. Then I can share my itinerary to the web, and then he will be able to make use of it. To demo, I have here two cell phones, and to show you. The bigger cell phone is the one who's going to be searching for the itinerary that I create from the small cell phone. So let's check. My itinerary only has hello itinerary in his database. So now, the small cell phone will be sharing his itinerary and upload it to the web. Before that, let's just check. Yeah, let's search for itineraries just to prove that it's not yet existing on the web. So remember, the itinerary that I created is named My Way Home. So I just search for home, and it's searching the database. And no results were found. So now I'll tap on my smaller cell phone and tap on share, and then I'll tap on OK, and it'll show you connecting to the database and uploading. Successfully shared this itinerary. And now on the big phone, let's tap on search again. Then there, you see My Way Home. Tapping on My Way Home also draws the all the points on the map. There, so I downloaded an itinerary, and then I was able to view it on the map. So yeah, you'll be able to navigate through all the pins. Like this. Yeah, there. And actually, by tapping on the balloons, you'll be able to see the more details, like what country that point is in. Yeah. And we have here also a feature to to show you the satellite view instead of the map view. Yeah, yeah, that's probably it. Okay, thank you.